So question 3. Show that x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 3x plus 14. So this here we're going to be using synthetic division. So we want to set up our L like so. Okay. So if the factor if x plus 1 is a factor, then we know that we want to be using minus 1 on the left hand side here, and then we want to put in our coefficients. So we used to have 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 3x plus 14. So we have 2 minus 9, 3, and 14. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, okay? So 2 that is minus 11, and then times that by minus 1 is going to be positive 11. And then you add 3 to 11, which is 14, times 14 by minus 1, you have negative 14. So here we have 0, and yeah, we write a statement like the remainder is 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, so that's part A done. So you get 2 marks for this question. So you get 1 mark for knowing to use minus 1, and then you get another mark for proving that it's a factor with this statement here. Okay, on to part B now. So hence solve the equation, sends the same equation. So hence solve it completely. Okay, so we already know that one of the factors is x plus 1. And now we have this new expression from the synthetic division. So this then becomes 2x squared minus 11x plus 14. Okay, so what we're going to need to do here is factorize this statement. Now, sometimes it can be a bit tricky with this number at the front. People get worried, so you can use the quadratic formula, but you can just factorize this normally as well. So we've got this 14 here, so 14. Okay, so what multiplies together to make 14? Well, 2 and 7 do, and 1 and 14. So those are things we need to think about. We also need to think about this number here. Is this a prime number? Well, 2 is a prime number, which means it can be able to multiply by itself and 1. So our brackets are going to be of the form 2x and x. Okay, so knowing that it's going to be like this, what kind of factors will work for us here? Okay, so if I have, so what numbers are multiplied to make 2 and 7? Well, 2 and 7, and also minus 2 and minus 7. Okay, then what do they add up together to make 9? Okay, well, if I did, so 7 is what difference from 11? It's 4. So 2, if I put the 2 there, that would give me 4. Yeah, okay. So it's 2 minus 2, and this must be minus 7. Because then that will go 2x squared, that'll be 4x minus 4x minus 7x for a total of minus 11x, then minus 7 times minus 2 is 14. Okay, so this is the correct, these are the correct factors. 1. But you could use the quadratic formula if you want to do, if you've got stuck here. Okay, so now we need to work out the x coordinates. So x plus 1 equals 0, so x equals negative 1, and then we have 2x minus 7 equals 0, so x will equal 7 over 2, and then we have x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2. Say 3 points there. So you get the marks from stating this quadratic factor here, and then you get 1 for putting it into find the remaining factors, and then get your last mark for stating the solution. So that's where you get 3 marks from. So, and there, probably take away these. that's just one mark for both those.